Hello viewers, welcome to Science Diving Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the introduction to human skeleton system. In this system, first of all, definition of osteology is it is the branch of science that deals with the study of the skeleton system, their structure and functions. Functions of skeletal systems are support, protection of our internal organs, movements of our body, storage of fats, and blood cell formation. In that, red blood cells are formed in bone marrow. Skeleton system composed of bones, cartilage, joints, and ligaments. In adults, skeletal system consists of 206 named bones, while in children, skeletal system consists of 300 bones. Bones can be classified into 5 different classes based on their shapes like long bones, short bones, flat bones, irregular bones, and sesamoid bones. Human skeletal system can be mainly divided into two types, that is axial skeletal system and appendicular skeletal system. In that, axial skeletal system consists of 80 bones and appendicular skeletal system consists of 126 bones. In axial skeletal system, it contains skull, laryngeal skeleton, vertebral column and thoracic cage. While in appendicular skeletal system, it contains upper limbs, lower limbs, shoulder girdles and pelvic girdles. In axial skeletal system, first one is skull, which can be divided into two different types of bones like cranial bones and facial bones. In cranial bones, frontal bone 1, parietal bones 2, temporal bones 2, occipital bone 1, sphenoid bone 1, ethmoid bone 1, and in facial bones, inferior turbinal 2, lacrimal bones 2, mandible 1, maxilla 2, nasal bones 2, palatine bones 2, vomer 1 and zygomatic bones 2. After that, the middle ear contains 3 tiny bones which are known as ossicles like malleus, incus and stapes. Second one is the vertebral column which contains 33 bones like cervical vertebra 7, thoracic vertebra 12, lumbar vertebra 5, sacrum vertebra 5 and coccyx vertebra 4. In that last two are fused. Third one is thoracic cage. In that ribs are present which are 12 pairs of ribs. In that 1 to 7 pairs are true ribs and 8 to 12 pairs are false ribs and the middle bone known as sternum. In that 8 to 12 pairs are not directly connected with the sternum, that's why they are known as the false ribs. Second one is the appendicular skeleton system which contains 126 bones. In that first one is upper limbs which contains humerus 2, radius 2, ulna 2, carpals 16, metacarpals 10 and phalanges 28. After that lower limbs, in that femur 2, tibia 2, fibula 2, patella 2, tarsals 14, metatarsals 10 and phalanges 28. Third one is shoulder girdles, in that clavicle 2 and scapula 2. Pelvic girdle which contains ischium, ilium and pubis. The stapes is the smallest bone in the human body and femur or thigh bone is the largest bone in the human body. So guys, thanks for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe.